I don't think you even saw her since she's here. She's been there a week. And so it's our first time, I mean, it's her first time at the commercial.
Ah no, it's okay. No. No, it's alright. It's alright.
It's her first time at the commercial hip hop dance class I told you about. And then she's trying it out.
Yes. I'm excited. Let's go.
J'ai l'air d'une vraie vogueuse ou pas?
How was it? Was amazing. 5, 6, 7 et 8. Pa, ta, pa. Donne-moi tout. Et boum, boum, cac, boum, cac, boum, cac, cac, boum, cac, boum, cac, boum, cac, boum, cac, boum.
Happy Monday, starting at 8 as usual, but I'm on my way to, you guessed it, the dance class. New beanie, I made it from a failed sweater. So yeah. Outfit check. Living the vibe today. I'm doing a POV. Oh. I don't know if the lighting looks nice, but it looks a bit mysterious, like welcome on a night stories. I finally get to have a full night's sleep. I mean, it's 1 a.m, so it's for me early. The last 2 nights I had to stay up because of a work project. That's done now, so I'm free. It was only like 2 hard nights, but I will catch it up anyway throughout the coming weeks. I will just come later to work or leave earlier. So don't worry, I'm not overworking. I am managing myself really well. That's important. Don't overwork. All right. And so today I get to sleep properly. I am in my reading bag. My goal on Goodreads was to read 15 books in a year. You could say easy peasy. I bought, I think, around 10 books since the summer. I read 20% of one. So I have 2.5 months left of the year and 15 books to read. I'm optimistic. Hey, so I fell asleep while reading, so I don't think I remember anything I read, and I overslept and missed a call this morning. I know, you might be wondering, Jessica, it's Friday. You still have the same sweater. Yes, but I have different pants. So, you know, another day, and I have a different bra as well, so I'm washing myself. I finished work for the week. We're going to have dinner with Luca in a new Afro-fusion restaurant. Finally, Hamburg is offering interesting places for me to bond with my culture. It's funny because it's happening like 10 days before I go to Cameroon, so I can't wait to eat my grandma's food. I can't wait to eat beignets. I can't wait! Oh my god, I'm so excited. I still need to go get my tablets for the malaria though.
I remember when you were all in for us. I recall when you said you never loved.
Plantain, jollof rice, chicken, sauce, burger.
You running back. It was all good till the love gave in.
My roots, like they are, I don't know if they're growing really fast or if I just didn't properly
Since 3 weeks, no? Mine wasn't.
beginning of October.
just seen all the signs. I thought you were mine, I was blind. I remember when you were all in for us. I recall when you said you never loved someone like this, telling me lies. You had someone else, now you running back.
A great day has fallen upon us. I, Jessica, got a pair of shoes that I thought I would never buy. I'm quite confident that I was a hater of that pair of shoes, but only dummies don't change their mind. The UGG is back in trend for I think a couple of winters already. So I'm not following the trend from the get-go. I thought about this. I live in Hamburg, which is a fairly gloomy, cold town. And lately I've seen people styling the UGGs not the way I styled it when I was 14. It's more of like a cool shoe. It's under white jeans. It's a bit like people style the Birkenstock clog with in the summer, beginning of fall, but then with a winter shoe. I think it might make my wardrobe fun. It might give me another option between the Doc Martens and the sneakers that I just exchange every time. So I'm excited to see. I didn't go for the classic, I think, what is the color again? Chestnut color, because I think it's a bit too yellow, too bright. I tried to go within those beige grays. I picked between the caribou and the smoked plume. So let's see how it goes, and I will select live, direct, which one I like the most. Yes, I was a hater of the shoe, but I think it stemmed from my trauma. When I was in middle school, I got fake ones. Like the high, not the minis, but like the high ones. And of course, bad quality shoes. You know, when they go like this in between the heels, and then I just looked really ridiculous. And I think I was traumatized because everybody around me was walking with this ridiculous, wearing them in snow, wearing them in rain, a mess. So I think this trauma cultivated into my head. I did not try to get the platform ones because I know I would look like a reindeer. That's not what we're going for. So I have the flat ones, and I didn't go for the ultra minis because I don't like them that much. I went for the mini. So first, for both of the shoe, no matter which one I get, I got a cleaning set because I don't want to ruin my shoes. It's just like the usual cleaning set from UGG. You have a protector, a cleanser conditioner, a shoe renew, a shoe brush, and a shoe soup eraser. So yeah, I think it will really fit with most of my outfits. And yeah, I'm excited. I thought the heel would be thinner, but it's actually quite thick and solid. Like it looked like it can handle a lot. And hopefully, because those are real Uggs, I won't have the problem of them having to walk on the edge of my shoe. Okay, let's now see. So these are the smoke plum one, smoke plum. And now let's see the caribou. The caribou are a bit more pinkish. That's not Uggs. I thought I received both of my Uggs, but I don't. These are my Mary Janes. Oh. I mean, I'm happy. I was certain those were the Uggs. What's going on? I was so excited. Wow. I can't actually compare the two because I only have one. I guess I'll do that tomorrow. I'm so sad. But I can show you the Mary Janes, so yeah. I really like them though. I think that's the style I wanted. And they don't look as big as I thought they would. I kind of like it. I like the vibe. It's really comfortable. That's true. I mean, that's something I think you can never take away from Uggs. it's tight. I thought it might be a bit loose, but it's really like not tight, but it's like it's supported, like especially here. Like it's really supported, which I enjoy. Did I buy them randomly? Yes. Wanted a shoe that's out of my comfort zone, that might elevate my outfits easily. I have like yearly colors, and 2023 was under the red. I crocheted mainly red stuff. I have a red beanie, and I try to incorporate red into my outfits. The year is almost ending, so this chapter is almost done. I'm moving on to purples and pinks for 2024. But yeah, still color of the year is the red. Apparently in fashion as well, the red is like the key color. So am I a trendsetter? I don't know if it's wait a minute. It's not too bad. I'm not sure I like it, if I'm being honest with you. They are nice shoes, but I don't know how they would fit inside of my wardrobe. Don't mind my legs, I don't have any cream. Nah, I'm not vibing with them. They're pretty and everything, but there's something just, that's not me. Happy Monday, everyone. Did they put something on my face? They put some beauty stuff. Ew. Today is pretty chill. It's lunchtime right now. I just came back from the post office because I got a package. Yesterday I attempted to do like an unboxing video, but one of the boxes was missing. So these are the two together, Smoke Plum, Caribou. Caribou is definitely a bit more brown. It's pinkish, yes, but it's definitely more brown, and this is definitely more gray. I don't know where to go. Wait a minute. Let me compare with my color palette pamphlet. So this is my color palette pamphlet, and no, has nothing to do with this color. I know this one is like one of those grays here, kind of. I don't know which one I like better. They do look like toy shoes. Is that the appeal? I really want to spend the weekend, but I don't really know you that well. Maybe we can go there if you want to. I don't know why I think I love you. C'est comme une rengaine, quelques notes à peine. I work from home this morning, and now I'm going to the office. I'm meeting my colleagues for lunch, and then I'll just keep working from the office. That's the vibe for today.
Oh, le mec derrière, il t'aimerait bien. Il veut quoi? Il a un peu ton style ibérique que t'aimes bien. C'est grave bizarre.